Hello everyone. Today we will gonna talk about Hasura Cloud. So Hasura Cloud is a very good tool where we can connect our existing database. It can be different databases like Postgres and MongoDB and other databases. We can connect our database. Then we can create and CRUD APIs without any prior coding that we need that conventionally we do on different languages. Like if we wanted to do CRUD operation on one particular table, we have to write an API for that. So Hasura is very useful tool in terms of creating an GraphQL query based REST APIs. So we can use this Hasura tool for that. So I have already created one project where this is my project musical whistle, uh, and this is the whole dashboard of Hasura. I will launch in console for this. So it is loading. So this is a basic dashboard of Hasura console where it is showing you the different tables that is coming out over here. Here you can write your own GraphQL queries and here you will get the results of that. Firstly, we need to load the databases. So how will we load that? So we need to navigate to this data tab where it has a button for database connection. Here you can mention your database name, like it can be anything like database one. Then you have to select your different databases from your database driver, like it supports MS SQL Server, BigQuery, Citus, and all. Then you have to put your database connection over here, like in this format as it is showing here. Then you just have to connect to database. It will replicate all the uh, it will replicate all the schema and tables so from your database to over here. So I already did that, and I have one. This is my connection, and for that connection I have few schema. I have few tables out over here under the schema. So if you see, these are the tables that I already have in this particular uh, version. So you can see, as you can see, this is the data that I'm having in that table. I can insert a row, modify, and I can do a lot more things over here that we're gonna talk about in next video. So firstly we'll see uh, how we can create a get API using this. So firstly uh, we can hover. Yeah, firstly we can select any of the tables. So currently I'm selecting this profile table as it has some data over there. Then I will select the columns that I need for this. So to select it just like select star from table, right? So I'm selecting and columns from it, and these are the columns that I need in my result. So here is a button for run. So this is a simple GraphQL query that is being written to get the data from database. I will run this, and if you see, it has written me the result, the output result that is coming from the database. Now if I want to check that what is the result, what is the API that is being used, so you have to go to network and check this GraphQL API. This particular API we have called to grab the data. It is a post API, and if you see, this is the project that I have created under Hasura, and this is this domain of Hasura. Then for the post API, this is the particular endpoint and what the payload that we have passed. If you see, operation name is my query is equal to query my query, and this is the whole query that is being written over here. If you see, query my query profile, role, last name, the columns that we have selected over there. It is being passed over here using a query, and it has given the result based on the parameters that we have defined over there. Yeah, if I go to the preview, it has data, profile, and the as it is giving out over here. So this is how we can grab the this is how we can create the simple get API through Hasura. So uh, that's it. We can discuss more about Hasura on the next video. Thank you very much for watching this.